Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I went and bought these vehicle dollies. I'm going to put the front wheels on those. Slide the car a little bit off away from the wall so I can get those tires off of that other side, or at least the front one. Then I'll push it back, let it back down, and do the same for the rear. So let me go ahead and get these dollies on here. I'm gonna put these together. The best way to put them together is, of course, you want to handle these on the outside of the vehicle. So you want the casters with the wheel locks on them on this side. So put those on that side, and on the other side you're going to put a flat washer, then a lock washer. So you got a flat washer, then a lock washer, then a acorn nut. Those acorn nuts seem to be 19 millimeter. I would probably torque them down to about 35 foot-pounds. Let's see if they have a torque setting here for them. I don't see a torque setting. 25 foot-pounds may be good. But again, put the casters with the wheel locks on them to the outside, and that's where your handle's going to be, on the outside, so you can grab them and pull them out. All four. If you're using two like I am, you want to get the car up high enough for you to slide this under it. And the key to all this is being safe. You don't want your car roll away. I got the back chalked so they can't move. And when I let the vehicle down on this, I'm going to go to the other side and try to push the car away from the wall. That's my goal in using these. I got the car on the dollies. I got the back wheels blocked. I got the locks on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and take the locks off. Make sure they don't roll. Should be stopped by the front over there. If it starts rolling, the only thing I could do is get out of the way, because I don't have any way of stopping this car from going forward. Okay. The casters are off. Wheel locks. I'm going to go to the other side and try to scoot the car over toward the yellow car. And it should move over. I moved about an inch. I'm going to keep pushing it. Get it over about 6 more inches where I can get this wheel off. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.